to yet another video on our channel Euclid Mathematics. We have started lecture series on MHT CET Mathematics 2018 previous year question papers. Not only with the 2018, I already uploaded questions from other years too. So in my today's video, I will explain to you all one of the question from pair of a straight line. Okay. So let's read the question. We have question number 24. The equation of a line passing through the point negative 3, 1 and bisecting the angle between coordinate axes. Okay. So we have question it is here. Now let's understand it first. What we have given. Equation of a line passing through point. Okay. So we have x and y axis. There exists negative 3 and 1, 2 points. Okay. So that line passing from that 2 points and it goes from the coordinate axis. Okay, bisect coordinate axis from the middle, and we have to figure it out which one of the option is correct from our A, B, C and D. Okay, so first option x plus y plus 2 0, second option negative x plus y plus 2 0, x minus y plus 4 which is equal to 0, and 2x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. That means we want the equation of a line. Okay, equation of a line which holding these two condition. Okay, first negative 3 1 passing and second one is bisecting angles from our coordinate axis. It is the solution part of my question. So question it in our question we have given equation of a line passing through point negative 3 1. Okay, and we know that in x-axis x point it is given negative 3. Okay, so negative point it lies here, so negative 1 negative 3. Okay, so I got the first point which is a negative 3 on our x-axis and y it is given 1. Okay, so y it is 1 here, so their intersection point it is negative 3 1 here. Okay, so I got the first point here, first condition in our x y axis negative 3 1 it is here. And now second condition, the line which passing from that point. Okay, line which passing from that point, it goes from the center. Okay, or it bisect the angle between coordinate axis. Okay, so angle between coordinate axis it is here. So angle between coordinate axis, we always define angle here. Okay, in our coordinate axis. So it bisect. What is mean by bisector of angle? Angle bisector means that bisect angle in a two equal part. Okay, so the equal part it is here and this one both are the equal. Okay, the part which is here and the angle it is here both are equal. Okay, that's why we say that this one is the bisector. Okay, so I got the angle here, first angle 90 degree, and if we bisect the angle here 90 degree, we get the 45 here and we get the 45 here. Okay, so that means the total angle from here we get the 90 plus 45 which is a 135 degree. Okay, so this is given in our question. Okay, and we want the equation of that line. Okay, which bisecting our origin. Okay, so now see how the solution it look like. Okay, so in our solution we have given the equation of a line passing through negative 3 1 and making an angle 135 degree with a positive direction of x axis. Okay, so here we have the point which is a negative 3 and 1. Okay, so that means the value for x1 and y1. Okay, x1 is a negative 3, y1 is a 1. Okay, x1 y1 it is there, and theta 135, theta is given as a 135. Okay, and we know that slope of a point m is equal to tan theta. Okay, so m I got it here tan theta. Now for finding the equation of a line we use y minus y1 which is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, so y minus y1 is 1. Okay, so y minus 1 which is equal to m. What we have m it is a tan theta which is a slope of our line. Okay, so tan 135, theta is a 135, so m is equal to tan 135 and x plus 3. Okay, x minus x1, so x is a as it is minus x1 means minus of minus 3 it become plus 3. Okay, so x minus x1 means x minus 3 which is a x plus 3. Okay, now let's go for the calculations only. So we want just to find out the equation of a line. Okay, so y minus 1 it as it is, m is here tan theta is a tan 135 degree. Okay, and into x plus 3. Now we here it is a challenging part to find out the value for tan 135 degree. Okay, so here I'm not going to explain to you all how to find tan 135. So if you wanted to see how can we find such odd angles in a quiet second, I already uploaded some of the tricks on my channel. Okay, you may see there, you can understand it very easily. Okay, and even after if you have doubt, let me know in comment section. I will explain to you all more simplest form to understand this one. Okay, so if you want the video on this one again, let me know. Okay, in my comment section. So already I uploaded some of the videos for finding such odd angles. Okay, now tan 135, it is a negative of 1. Okay, so y minus 1 is equal to negative of 1 into x plus 3. So take term at one side and then go for just calculation. So y minus 1 minus x plus 3. Okay, so just have to find out the calculation. You will get the x plus y plus 2, which is a 0. So this is the required option A, x plus y plus 2, which is equal to 0 in our question. Okay, so in our question we just want the equation of a line. Okay, and conditions are given. Two condition. One condition, it is the point which is negative 1 and 3. Okay, negative 1 and 3. And second condition, it is the line bisect coordinate axis. Okay, and bisecting coordinate axis means it divide angle into two equal part. Okay, so this one is for our today's solution. I hope so you all have understood my today's solution. So thank you everyone. Thank you for my today's lecture.
They will do everything to feel a bit alive. They will do everything to feel a bit alive.